All right, welcome to July 2020 on Spray Paint Art Secrets. This month we've got some very cool landscape paintings to teach you. This is on canvas and it took me all of 20 minutes to do, and I will show you the tools and techniques that you need to be able to paint amazing landscapes in a very short amount of time using spray paint art techniques. Now, whatever kind of artist you are, there's something in here that you can learn from. Even if you don't actually have a spray can or you only want to use it a little bit, there's a lot of techniques using texture tools and effects that you can use for finishing your painting in simple ways. I hope that you will explore spray paint art, and if you already love spray paint art, then there's a lot of new stuff in here for you, because this month we're going to start exploring blending spray paint art techniques into acrylic techniques, into watercolor techniques by using different kinds of paper and different kinds of styles. For example, this painting is done on prepared watercolor paper. There are a lot of different papers that you can use with your spray paint art to create different effects. And if you use a paper that's somewhat absorbent, like prepared watercolor paper, you get a very different look. It's not as shiny, it's not as sleek. You may miss that, but I think that it's more appropriate for a lot of places. Like if it's on a wall, you don't want the light reflecting and shining off of it so much. I think it's great to use the spray cans if you're painting on a car, or if you're painting on wood, for example. There can be some very beautiful things. The paint's not so shiny, but sometimes spray paint on poster board paper is just so shiny that when you put it on your wall, there's just so much glare. And so these are ways of making your painting have a really different texture, more of a texture of the kind of paintings you might find in a gallery, which is useful for those of you who are interested in selling your art. This really allows you to up the price, even if you're selling on the street. This particular painting is done on canvas, and the spray paint art techniques make it a really, really quick painting to do. And again, it's another 20-minute landscape that I teach you all kinds of techniques with texture tools. So there are a lot of great techniques that you can use with spray cans or without spray cans, but I hope that you will explore the amazing things that you can do if you have spray cans and you know spray paint art techniques. If you have any questions about these techniques or how they might be useful to you, or how to get started, please feel free to email me, Elisa Amor, personally at spraypaintartsecrets@gmail.com. If you'd like a free lesson, you can go to spraypaintartsecrets.com and tune in and sign up for the mailing list, where you will get a free video with that, and you will also get a free materials list with that, so that's worthwhile. We're going to finish up by exploring how to do a cosmic spiral. This is all water-based paint, but it works pretty much the same way as the other kinds of paint, except that the finish is not quite as shiny, which personally I like. We're going to explore using stencils and texture tools to make our cosmic spiral, and then we'll add some planets and a comet, and you'll have all kinds of skills once you've completed these lessons. If you have any questions, email me at spraypaintartsecrets@gmail.com, and I hope to see you inside the membership area. Ciao.